So I'm really looking forward to doing some photography in Tuscany. Really looking forward to getting there and unwinding, having a bite to eat. I'm probably going out this evening and doing our first sunset shot in Tuscany. That would be nice. I think this has been a nice leisurely drive and an unwind opportunity, and given us a chance to write the eulogy for our friend Tom's funeral, which unfortunately we are going to miss. But yeah, it is unfortunate, but we'll be there in spirit. As far as driving safely, like was in at a safe distance, this guy in front, no indication, just out. There is no 2-second rule here in Italy. There's not even a second rule. There's not even a half a second rule. It's no rule. Just drive as close as you can to somebody, undercut them, undertake them, and pop out back in front of them. Just craziness. Anyway, that's enough of me bleating on about poor Italian driving. Roads in general have been pretty good. I'd say out of the 9 countries we've driven through thus far, that the Italian roads have been the worst. And definitely the Italian motorways have been the worst. Maybe you can tell me another country in which the roads are perhaps worse than the Italians, or another nation that drives worse than the Italians. Please leave a comment. I look forward to hearing it. And as always, click the like button, hit the subscribe button, dingle the bell, just so you don't miss any of our future videos. And yeah, we look forward to seeing you at San Quirico D'Orchia, our next location in the Tuscan hills. So for now, arrivederci. Ciao. Hello and welcome to Now Zen TV, and here we are in Tuscany at Val d'Orchia. I'm going to take a few shots, fly the drone and scope out, because we will be coming back here at sunrise and sunset. It's not exactly the best light at the moment, but it's nice, it's worth a stop. We just happened upon it, so we'll sign back in with you later. Hope you enjoy the video, hope you enjoy the photographs. Please like, subscribe and leave your comments. Thank you very much.